Hello, this is Solomon Davis, Right Side Trader. Today is June 4th, 2023, and this is what I'm going to call the trade of the week. I give you the whole setup, what I'm seeing, what happened, and quite a bit of little information if you know what you're looking at. Again, this is all for educational purposes only, no trade recommendation here, because as we all know, trading is risky. You can lose money at trading, so please check with your financial advisor. Please check with your significant other and make sure trading is something that is actually suitable for you. I'm starting off here with a monthly chart because this was based off information that I received, that I was listening to someone, Wally, about monthly bounces and monthly setups and all, and I was expecting a bounce. Even though this is not the candle and I'm not showing everything that we talked about on our call, but the way I look at the market and what I see happening in the market, I was expecting a bounce. My Russell is down near the bottom of my demand area, and with the news and all the other stuff that was going on in the news and in the world and in the United States, I was expecting some good news or some news coming out and want to be able to catch that bounce. And I'll show you exactly what I was looking at. We didn't. This is July, and this was end of May. So on the monthly candle, that's what we was looking at. That's why last, a week ago when I was putting out, I was trying to get some hits on the red month bounce. I actually put some videos out there on the red month bounce. Okay, we got to look at this. This is the day that I traded both days, and both days I put a video out this day, and I'm putting a video out for this day here also, how we actually traded this. What I'm going to do is take a closer look at both of these. One of them is already out here. This one, I'm taking a look out at this one. This is the trade that I'm going to be looking at, that actually happened here and how we actually caught it. The last day, the first day of the month was this day right here. So this is why this day was important to me, and looking, seeing what was going to happen this day here. Let's look at the 5-minute chart, and I'll wrap this on up so you can see how the charts actually set up on the lower time frame. As you guys all know, who's been following me, 5-minute time frame is the time frame that I like using to get my entries, and these are my indicators that I like using. I like using the stochastic. As you can see, the stochastic was down at the bottom at 10:05. That was the entry time for one of the traders, my cousin, where she actually got in right there. I got in soon after her, if not before her. And I think I got in probably soon after her. We were both talking, and one of us traded options, and one of us traded a future contract. After we got into this trade, what we was looking at as our target, I said, after looking at it, I said we can probably break this first 5-minute high. I didn't really know that this thing was going to go all the way up here like it did, but even once it did break this first 5-minute high, there was no reason to get out of this trade to ride this thing higher. Let me let you take a look at one other chart just to give you some idea what was done on this trade. 10 contracts. The entry at this entry point on this right here, didn't get that price there. Got in at $1.38 per contract. 10 contracts would have cost you $13.80, and all. An easy double was actually made on this particular trade. Was a double made? How much did we hold? How many contracts? That's not important. What's important is seeing the setup and all, and seeing that there are patterns in the market. We bounced exactly on a line down on the 5-minute time frame. This is not a good pattern, but this is a good bounce based on a demand level back here where the market went up earlier, had this big candle, came in here and went higher, came back down here, test this area again, and went higher. That's what you look for when you're day trading this particular strategy, put it that way. There's 1,000,001 strategies out here, but this is one strategy that worked well for me 2 days in a row. Talk to you later. Bye.